Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce childcare expenses with care.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit care.com and create an account. Make sure to provide accurate information about your childcare needs. Specify the age of your children and any specific care requirements. Set your location to find providers in your area. Explore the various childcare options available, including babysitters, nannies, and daycare services. Use filters to narrow down your search based on your budget and preferred care type. Read through the profiles of potential caregivers. Pay attention to their experience, qualifications, and reviews from other parents. Reach out to select caregivers to discuss your specific needs and their availability. Consider scheduling interviews to ask questions and get a feel for their personality. Check references from previous families to ensure reliability. Negotiate rates when discussing terms with potential caregivers, especially if you have a long-term need. Explore the option of sharing a nanny with another family to reduce costs. Utilize care.com's resources, such as articles and tips on saving money on childcare. Investigate any promotional offers or membership discounts available on care.com. Once you find a suitable caregiver, ensure you have a clear agreement in writing. Discuss payment methods and schedules to prevent any misunderstandings later. Keep open communication with your caregiver to establish a trusting relationship. Regularly review your childcare arrangements to ensure they continue to meet your needs. Stay informed about changes in local regulations or subsidies that may affect your childcare expenses. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your childcare costs while finding quality care. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.